The bank says you're approved for a $400,000 home and everyone is celebrating. But no one is asking the most important question. Can you actually afford living in it? Most people don't find out they are house poor until they are sitting in a beautiful living room, checking their bank accounts before buying grocery because the mortgage hates everything. Today, we are running a 3-step stress test to find out if your dream home is actually a financial trap in disguise. We are going beyond the mortgage payments and looking at your real life numbers. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. You see, lenders use something called the 28-36 rule, but that rule is built to protect the bank and not you. They calculate it using your gross income. That's your salary before taxes take a chunk out. But we are using your net income instead. That's the money that actually lands in your bank every month. So now, here's the test. Take your monthly take home pay and multiply it by 0.25. That's your maximum comfortable housing number. So if you take home $4,000 a month, your number is $1,000. If you take home $5,000 a month, your number is $1,250 a month. Now, compare that to your full monthly house cost. That means your mortgage payments, property taxes, and insurance all combined. If that combined number is higher than your 25% figure, you ain't just buying a house, you are buying a second job. I know some will ask, why 25% and why not 28? You see, because 25% of your take-home pay leaves enough room for maintenance, utilities, and life. The three things the bank never accounts for. That breathing room is exactly what step 2 is about. Now, this is where most people fail. You see, I have 3 questions for you, and I want you to answer them honestly. Question 1, the maintenance buffer. Can you set aside $300 a month for repair on top your mortgage without touching your emergency fund, not borrowing it, and not skipping something else? Just $300 sitting aside every single month. If that number makes you uncomfortable, the house is already too expensive. Now, question 2, the utility jumps. Did you account for what happens to your energy bills when you move in? Going from a 900 square foot apartment to a 2,200 square foot house, can you triple your heating and cooling costs? That's not a small number. Budget at least $200 to $300 more per month for utilities alone and see if your math still works. Now, question 3, the guilt-free check. After mortgage, insurance, taxes, maintenance, and utilities are covered, do you still have enough left for the things making life worth living? A dinner out, a trip, a hobby, everything. If you have to cut your fund budget by more than 50% to make the number work, you are about to become house poor. The house will own you, not the other way around. This is the most practical thing I'm going to tell you, and almost nobody does it. You see, before you sign a contract, run a 3-month mock mortgage trial. Here's how it works. Figure out the difference between what you pay in rent right now and what and what your new mortgage payment would be. Let's say your rent right now is $1,500 a month, and the mortgage would be $2,500. That's a $1,000 difference. Now, starting today, move that extra $1,000 into a separate savings account every single month. Live on what's left. Don't touch it. If you get this to month 2 and you are reaching for a credit card or skipping things you normally wouldn't skip, that house is too expensive for your current life. The number doesn't lie when you are actually living them. And that's the bonus. If you pass the test, you just saved $3,000 towards your down payment without even trying. A house should be an asset that builds your wealth, not a cage that limits your life. If your stress test failed, don't panic. It just means you need a lower price point, a bigger down payment, or a few more months of preparation. That's not a failure. That's information. One question for you. What's the hidden cost of owning a house that surprised you the most? Drop it in the comment section. I read every single one, and your answer might become the next video. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.